Hello friends, welcome to Mithi's Kitchen. Today we are making one Saudi Arabia's meal and this is called Kabsa and it is made with like a chicken and also rice like we are eating back to home in India biryanis. So this is like that. So I have took the whole chicken and it's very nice young small chicken and it is whole, it is completely clean, skin out and all fats and everything. And then I have 2 tablespoons of curd like yogurt, just a half teaspoon of salt, half lemon, 1 teaspoon garlic and green chili paste. Okay, so now we will marinate chicken very well. And once we marinate chicken, we will leave it for at least 30 minutes and then we will proceed some other steps. So you can see that our chicken got very good, well salted. We can just massage a little bit inside so salt can be everywhere, and salt is really big taste for the food, so we will make sure that. And at this point I will add take some yogurt. At the same time we will add our lemon. Is bringing really great taste for this kind of chicken. So now we will marinate very well. Try to just apply in the all areas of chicken so it tastes very well. And also if you like to use for this one like hot sauce, I was used to do that too because hot sauce was just bringing really great taste. Okay friends, so now we are starting our second step while our chicken is getting marinated. So at this point my pot is enough hot, so we will add some oil. And we will fry the onion. So we can wait for a couple minutes and we will add the onion. Okay, at this point we will add the onion, and we don't have to like light brown, but just like a little bit cooked, So while our onion is cooking, and I have kept little bit on medium high, so because onion is cold, so we have to do that. While onion is cooking on another stove, we can fry our dry nuts, which is 2 tablespoons of each, walnut, cashews, almond, and also raisins. So we can maintain the both stoves while onion is getting fried. We can roast our nuts. So at this point we can add some walnuts, cashews, and it's okay, it can be mixed, because after that I will take it in my tray. So we can roast this one little bit on medium heat. We don't have to turn on high. So you can see that. And also we can keep eye on the onion too. Okay friends, so our nuts got fried very good, so we will take it out in the tray and we are continuous cooking our onion, and onion is almost like done too. So now you can see that our onion is enough brown, like a pinkish. We don't need more. And at this point we will add garlic and ginger paste. Also with that I have some dry spices, which is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and roasted cumin, and also white pepper. So we will add everything in it. At this point we will add a little bit of water, and we will cook until our spices get well cooked. At this point we will add our tomato puree, and let's cook for few minutes until it gets like very good cook with the spices. Okay, so now you can see our spices and tomato puree get very good cook. So at this point we will put our chicken inside to cook. and we don't have to move or anything. We will let it cook for a few minutes. And we will just do like this. So now we are turning our chicken on other side. And we will let it cook for another few minutes, and I will show you how it turns. So now I will add 2 cups of water. And we will let it cook until like another 10 minutes. So now we will take it out our chicken from, and we will put it in the pan to further cook more. At this point we will turn our stove to cook the chicken, and also same time with this water we can add another 2 cups of water, or at least we can add 1 cup more, and I will add rice. And I have soaked rice in 30 minutes with the cold water and rinsed couple times. So now we will let cook rice until this all water is getting away, and also we are cooking on other side. This chicken can get more brown. So I will show you in another few minutes when rice is thoroughly cooked. So now our chicken kabsa is done, and we can put it in serving bowls. So I can take some rice, and also we can put some meat on that. So now we can garnish some cashews and almond and walnut and raisin. And also we will put some cilantro on it. So now you can see our rice is ready with like a fried chicken, and try it this way. It is really very great recipes and I enjoy all the time. And instead of any others, I like to use the lemon. That turns very good with the all kind of taste. You can have it. So we will see you some other fun recipes, and until then, have a blessed day.